As we close out 2024 today, we're looking back at some of the top weather events of the year. KIMT Storm Team 3 Chief Meteorologist Aaron White brings us back to some of the most memorable events.
2024 was a remarkable year for weather. From a warm winter to severe flooding, the year brought a number of different events to Minnesota and Iowa. On January 12th, a snowstorm brought several inches of snowfall across the region, which was quickly followed by high winds, blowing snow, and bitter cold. Temperatures in the days after dropped well below zero, with dangerous wind chills recorded across the upper Midwest. By springtime, temperatures began to warm up and our severe weather season ramped up. On May 21st, severe thunderstorms developed and raced through Minnesota and Iowa. These storms brought with them winds over 60 miles per hour, large hail, and a few tornadoes were reported. One of the more notable tornadoes was an EF1 that hit part of Rolling Stone, Minnesota, damaging several buildings on the west side of town. Severe weather continued into the summer as rounds of thunderstorms brought heavy rainfall through May and June. By the weekend of June 22nd, a slow-moving complex of showers and storms brought several inches of rainfall across southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. This quickly flooded fields, roads, and even a section of I-90 was closed as floodwaters rose. All of this water quickly led to rising river levels, leading to more flooding along the Cedar River in Austin and Charles City, and also led to a failure at the Rapidan Dam near Mankato. One of our last notable severe weather events of the year came on August 5th when severe thunderstorms developed in southern Minnesota. These storms produced several tornadoes, knocking down trees and damaging buildings. A total of 16 tornadoes were reported across southern Minnesota and northern Iowa, including 2 in Freeborn County, 2 in Mower County, 1 in Worth County, and 1 in Winneshiek County. And not only did 2024 bring about active weather, it also was an active year for the sun. Increased solar activity led to brilliant displays of the northern lights. The most notable events occurred around May 10th and October 10th when the northern lights were seen across much of the U.S., including as far south as Texas and other Gulf Coast states. Locally, the aurora danced overhead, allowing many of us to capture great pictures and videos. With solar activity still high, it is likely we'll see more dazzling northern lights in 2025. For KIMT News 3, I'm Chief Meteorologist Aaron White.